Good morning, everybody. A few months ago, I talked about the scarcity of products and the shortages we have across all the supply, pretty much every vertical market. I want to talk about automotive specifically. If you've gone by the dealerships, you've seen a lot of car lots are empty. If you've seen the used car prices, you've seen the ridiculous prices for used cars are fetching in the marketplace. But I want to tell you that if you look at the stock reports of late, the profits of all the automakers are soaring right now. And I think they're onto something. Even though we did have a real supply shortage based on COVID, the auto companies have figured out that volume is not a good strategy. Making a very little bit of money on new car sales is not such a great idea. And being able to have scarce products, they get a premium for those cars or above sticker, because when there's no supply, you'll pay whatever just to get a car. So that strategy right now, I don't see going away. I think that it's not going to be in 22. At first, I thought it'd be first quarter of 22. I think this is going to be well into 23. And I think that if you look at the automotive industry and start following the profits of what these guys are doing, they're also making money on used cars too. They're making tons of money on used cars, tons of money on new cars. So they're hitting on all cylinders, and they're running a lot less than full capacity. So it's a great strategy. It's very similar to yield management in the airlines. The airlines, if you book a flight way in advance, it's cheaper. But if you're a last minute traveler, they charge you a premium. So that profit, you can run your plants or run your capacity at a lot less, but charge more and have more profits. And that's exactly what the automotive guys have figured out. And I think it's going to take a while to get this thing back to where we had it before, if it ever comes back the way we had it before. I hope this helps you understand the market. See you.